Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize the screensaver on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In these settings we want to head to display options, and then over here we need to scroll down until we find the screensaver. Tap on the screensaver, and over here we have choose a screensaver section where we can choose colors. We can also go for the clock. We can press preview in order to see how it looks like. We can also customize the clock. We can press on the customize button. Over here you can choose the style of the clock, and we can also enable the night mode. And if we go back, we can also choose photos, and we can customize that option as well. You can enable or disable only use Wi-Fi for data. We can use photos fill screen and animated zoom effect. So if you go back and press preview, this is how it looks like. Of course, we don't have any photos, so we cannot really preview this the screensaver, but if you have any photos saved in your gallery, then it should work. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.